Tonight on Garage Time, we're going to install what I consider to be a really cool accessory. It's a foot support rest or footrest, whatever you want to call it. A bar that goes on the passenger side of the bus, our 1979 Westfalia, giving the passenger more comfort with the footrest. Yeah. So we've got ours, we're ready to install it, so let's go do that now. Alright, so it's a pretty simple install. We have the bar that goes across from your heater tube to your door. What we're going to do, there's a couple ribs on the heater tube, so we're going to line up our first hole over there, level it out, and then secure the second side. So I'll go ahead and just double checking. It's a little off there, but that can be the level. Let me just double check. So we want it to come, it's actually saying up. Okay, so if I have it there, it's saying it's level. I'm touching here and here, and it is flush over there. So with my scribe, because I'm trying to do multiple things here, make a little X. Okay. Okay, so take that down. Center punch this guy. Center punch that X. Okay, got my drill ready to go. So I'll actually just line those two up. Left-handed, so this can get awkward. So we're using self-tapping screws. The bar we purchased actually came from Pakistan, and they sent it with Phillips. I know Volkswagen and Westfalia typically use Phillips screws. I'm Canadian. I prefer Robinson or Square. I just find they don't strip. Not pushing it on anybody, but I find they're better. I like to use them. So that's what we're doing here. Okay, now I'm not doing these super tight. I'm just gonna get it on there. Check my level, which looks pretty bang on, and I'm sitting on the rib on the heater tube again. So we'll go ahead, punch these in the center, punch this one in the center. Drill. Much thinner thinner sheet metal on that side, just being the heater tube. Now, it should be good as long as my wife realizes it's not for standing on, it's just for putting your foot up while we go on long drives. Oops. Okay, tighten these two guys up now. And that was it. That easy, that simple. Cool accessory. Put your feet up on, and you're going for a drive. Oh yeah, that is awesome. Quick and simple video for self-tapping screws, but that is how you install a footrest on your 1979 Westfalia. I know it might have seemed like bad acting, but it was amazing. It's going to change being a passenger. Really comfortable. Highly recommend it. Go find yourself one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.